this is your first time tuning in with me, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Guys, I'm going to be trying the new White Glo active charcoal toothpaste. I've used White Glo before. They have a tea and coffee stain remover toothpaste that works really well for me. I really enjoy it. When I went to fill up, because that one is done, so I was like, let me get some more whitening toothpaste. So this is not a toothpaste that I use every day. I use it like once a week. I use a normal regular toothpaste every day, but sometimes you just feel that toothpaste, for me, I like my teeth to look squeaky clean, and there's times I just feel normal toothpaste doesn't achieve that. So that is why I started using the White Glo. I've tried the normal extra glow, and then I moved on to the tea and coffee stains, because myself, I'm a tea and coffee drinker, and it works really well, guys. And then I saw this one and I was like, okay, let me give this a try. I've never used charcoal toothpaste before. Oh, sorry. I've never used charcoal toothpaste before, so this will be my first time, and I'm gonna just give a little review on it quickly to let you guys know how it goes. Like I said, I like the brand White Glo, so I'm hoping that it won't be disappointing, because I generally enjoy the brand. So let's have a look what's inside the box. Okay, so I am familiar, they usually put their toothpaste in a tube like this. All of them comes in a tube, but obviously this one is black. Usually it's like white. And I think the tea and coffee stains one, it has a brown stripe, and then the extra white one has a purple stripe. And I think there's a few other different types, like for strengthening teeth and that sort of thing, but I chose this one. So this is the toothpaste itself. It comes with a toothbrush. I'm going to be using my own toothbrush. I'm not going to use this one for now. So I didn't look at the color so much, so this one's white and black, but they have like black and orange and different ones. And then they come with these little toothpicks. Let me see if I can, I don't want to open them now, but it's a cool toothpick. It's not showing a picture for you to see right now, but over here they show it. I don't know if you can see over here, the bottom. Over here, this is like a picture of what the toothpaste, the dental toothpick looks like, right? Let me just see if I can show you. So this is really awesome. It's a tiny little holder like this. You can chuck it in your handbag or in your purse, and always have it with you. So if you're out having a good piece of steak, or for my vegan viewers, if you're having some good broccoli and cauliflower wherever you eat out at, and you need to clean your teeth. Obviously I wouldn't suggest you do this in public, but if you want to do it in the loo and just clean them out if you have something stuck in your teeth, it's really handy to have these. I wanted to open them to show you. Maybe I should leave them sealed. It doesn't matter, it's still in a container. I just want to open this to show you. There we go. I've got to open the packaging. So I'll flap this. Oh, it looks like gum, guys. The holder is so pretty. It looks like gum. See, so you can pull this out, and then those are your toothpicks. See? Okay, so let me just close it again. So it's still in the little holder, basically. Alright, so I'm going to give this toothpaste a try. I don't know what it smells like. I don't know what it tastes like. But I'm excited. I've got my toothbrush. I'm going to open this baby up. Let's see. I'm hoping it's sealed. Yes, very important, guys. When you buy products, it needs to be sealed on the inside. So I need to take the top off to pull off the little seal over there. So that's awesome. You know, no one's been tampering with the toothpaste or the product. It smells like normal toothpaste. It smells like menthol. Yeah. Not mint, like menthol, like spearmint. Yeah. can't see, it looks very dark inside there, so I'm assuming the product is black as well. Let's have a look. Ah, it's not that black, guys. It's like a grey color. Okay. I'm not mad at that. Okay. Whew. Alright guys, I'm gonna give first impressions. I'm really happy that it did not foam black and that it wasn't actually like totally black. I was a bit worried about that because I don't like the whole look of the black foam and that sort of thing, even though it would have been cool for the video, but I'm happy about that. So I love the fact that it's menthol because I don't like toothpaste to be fruity and things, so menthol is good for me. Makes my breath fresh. My teeth feel really clean. I can see a difference from yesterday, okay, and last night. I'm happy guys, I think it's worth it. It's a bit pricey, it's like double the amount of a normal toothpaste, which I think is not bad considering you're getting a tooth whitening effect. And also, like I said, I don't use this every day, only because I watched a documentary by a specialist, I don't know what they're called, I'll put the name at the bottom, a specialist in like, not a dentist, someone who's like further than a dentist in terms of your mouth and your gums. They have not tested, this is activated charcoal, okay, so they have not tested the long-term effects of activated charcoal in your mouth. So I know that people have been using charcoal on their skin for a while, and even in their mouths for like 3 years now. They've started making charcoal toothpaste. It's kind of new to South Africa, this one. I know that Colgate has one as well. I have not tried the Colgate brand. Like I said, because for whitening purposes I usually use the White Glo brand, and then I saw they had a new one and I thought, let me try it. So this one is 65 bucks, 65 rand, and like I think you pay like 30 rand for a normal toothpaste, so it's double the amount, but it lasts me longer, as I said, because I only use it about once a week, and the rest of the time I use normal toothpaste. It's just when I feel like, I don't know if you guys have ever seen, if you drink tea, I mean, I have white cups guys, and after I've had, especially rooibos tea, I love it so much, but once you've had that rooibos tea with lemon and honey, Lord, your cup doesn't look white no more. It looks like it's stained, it's nasty. You really need to, then you need to use stronger detergents to clean those cups again. And so you can imagine what it does to your teeth. It stains your teeth guys. Even coffee as well. I love a good cup of coffee, especially now that I have the 2 kids. I am on that coffee. I even drink 2 cups sometimes, and I used to only drink 1 cup of coffee for a very long time. Most of the time I'm on 2 cups right now. So I need something to keep my teeth just, you know, on another level that normal toothpaste I feel just doesn't do. And I'm really happy guys. I think it's worth it for the price. Like I said, I'm happy for the fact that it is menthol. I don't know, if you don't like mint, then maybe you won't like this. It's not a very strong, overwhelming mint, but it's enough to make you feel fresh. And menthol also, and mint and menthol tastes and smells actually wake you up. This is why I like to use menthol toothpaste. If you're someone who's very, you feel you're not a morning person, maybe try using menthol toothpaste. So I have washed my face as well. I'm just gonna start by toning my face with the African Extracts toner. If you're regular on my channel, you know that I love this toner. I swear by it. Like, I don't mind so much using other moisturizers. My Nivea is done now. I've been on Nivea for a bit, and I've gone back to African Extracts because it's just that good. I really enjoy the brand. So I've picked up some new ones now. They're not new products, it's just a new bottle basically. So I'm gonna be putting that on. It's a lovely spring day here in South Africa. Beautiful weather. And so I'm just gonna take care of my skin like one should. Okay. Don't forget that neck, guys. Very important. What you do to your face, you need to do to your neck as well. Alright. See, I washed my face, guys, but you'll never say I always wash my face. And toning, it's so important. If you don't use a toner, please invest in one. These ones are not a backbreaker in terms of price. I'm gonna lie if I tell you, I think with this one now, okay, this one's almost done. So when I bought this one, it was cheaper. You know how it goes. When a product starts selling, they actually increase the price for some weird reason. It's like they want to make an extra buck or two. So this is the new one that I got. It's basically the same thing. And I paid like 50 something rand for it. And this lasts me super long, guys. I just put a little bit on a cotton bud or a cotton pad. And I clean my face and it feels so good already. And because it's daytime, I'm going to be going in with a daytime cream once again. And it's got vitamin C, vitamin E, and it's got SPF 15. Okay, so very important. You need to have something that has SPF for during the day. And the night cream I use as well. This one has got, this is the night cream. This one has got vitamin A and vitamin E and jojoba seed oil. Or jojoba. Like some people say, I said, what did I say? It's sealed. Very important. You guys know how I am over a product that's sealed. Super important, guys. Make sure your products are sealed so that you know it hasn't been tampered with. Okay, I've pulled that seal off. I've become like a professional seal puller, guys, all the time. Just pulling those seals. So that's cool. Oh, look at me wanting to use it without the top now. Not that it matters, but there's a top for a reason, isn't it? So let me get this open. It's good I didn't do my nails yet. I wanted to paint my nails, and opening these things are always such a mission, guys. Oh, imagine with nails that was freshly done. I've messed up nail polish all the time with trying to open products, so I'm excited to use this again. I've been off of it for a bit, but it's really, my skin was in such a good condition when using this, and this is kind of why I went back to it. Not that I'm bashing the other brand, it's just we had a rough winter and my skin was so dry. I just feel like this one would have been a bit better for the winter time, because my skin became so dry, guys. I was struggling, struggling. Oh, there we go. Moisturizing effect already. Feels amazing. Okay, cream's on. Okay, so I'm lastly going in with my labello. So I'm not gonna do makeup today, just gonna treat my skin. Well, not treat it, give it a break rather. And that's me for today, guys. I will do my hair in a minute. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've tried this toothpaste, please let me know in the comment section below. No, this is not a sponsored video, but you know me, I'm always keeping it real, always trying to give you guys the tips and downloads of products that I try. And you know, I give my honest opinion. Oh, I didn't rate it, guys. If I had to rate it, this will be an 8, guys. Really awesome. I'm super happy with the toothpaste. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, also the bell next to it, so that you get notified when I do upload new content. Thank you once again, and I'll catch you in the next video.